one analysis finds Kansas, Georgia, and Wisconsin have now amended death certificates of people who died in January 2020, changing COVID-19 to the cause. Now, CDC is predicting 750,000 Americans will die from the virus. And the Missouri Health Department is reporting more than 1,800 new COVID-19 cases and 4 new deaths since Friday. The Kansas Health Department is reporting nearly 4,000 new cases and 49 deaths since Wednesday. Kansas updates its numbers every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, in this pandemic, many Americans are facing a new challenge. As John Lornick reports, help from the government is coming to an end.
The first weekend in September is bringing new challenges to at least 7.5 million Americans.
Sleeplessness, it's a lot.
My inner voice is me yelling, screaming, trying to be like, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do.
The COVID-19 pandemic unemployment benefits are expiring in the 26 states that were still handing them out. And while many companies say they're trying to fill positions with incentives like signing bonuses, they're often having trouble getting takers.
Yeah, there are any number of jobs that I could go out and do, but not all of them can support me.
In part because of health-related concerns.
We're still in a pandemic. The idea of being close to hundreds of strangers a day, even while being vaccinated, that's not something that appeals to me in any way.
Cutting unemployment benefits hasn't always resulted in sizable job growth this year. According to data from April to July, the states that ended federal benefits early saw just under a point in growth, while those that kept the benefits saw nearly twice as much. This comes on the heels of a disappointing monthly jobs report that showed the U.S. adding the least amount of positions since January.
You've got COVID resurgence, which has affected translated to bad job numbers, Afghanistan, fires, hurricanes. That's a lot all at one time.
I'm John Lawrence reporting.
Now, the United States economy is still 5.3 million jobs below where it was in February of 2020, just before COVID-19 was declared a pandemic. Well, it is 5:03 in the evening. Santa Calagon Days and Independence is back. That's after it was canceled last year because of COVID. Now, the festival draws 300,000 people over a 5-day span. Organizers have moved many of the events outside this year to help with social distancing. Now, masks are not required, but they are encouraged for people who are unvaccinated. Organizers also had a vaccine clinic at the festival today.
We are just happy to be out here and to have access to this many people and make it available and easy for them to go ahead and get it.
Now, the first people who got vaccinated, they won a VIP access wristband. Now, some COVID-19 changes, you'll see food and merchandise booths. Those are spaced out an extra 2 feet. Most vendors are going cashless. The festival runs through Monday. And Kansas City's Irish Fest is also back. The festival taking up twice as much space at Crown Center, all for social distancing. They're expecting 90,000 people this weekend. Everything has been moved outside to allow for more space. Organizers have also added extra sanitation stations. And the Renaissance Festival kick off today in Bonner Springs. For now, masks are not required. Organizers will announce any changes to that on their media pages, their social media pages. The festival runs every weekend through October the 17th.